wettest channel on the internet.
Howdy, har, har. Welcome back to the show. My name is One-Eye Jack.
How you doing, guys? Like my new hairdo? Well, you know what it is. Where he's at, where you going? Doing something different one more time, because a lot of people say, do you do anything else other than boating? Yes, we do, especially when it comes towards the holidays. And we're going to a Halloween party, and you guys are gonna come along for the ride. And it's a boat ride. And actually, I'm gonna sit down. You know why? Because I'm waiting. I'm waiting for Gita, the usual thing. You guys forgot about that, huh? I still have to wait. It's just, I decided not to put it, so, you know, give her a break, but it's still not working. Right, Yuli? You know how the pirates got a parrot? I got a dog. Yuli! Oh, look at the pirate. Pirate! What's the girl's called? What are the girls called? Well, the pirates. Pirates? All right, check it out. Boom, look at that Tim Brown. She's gonna take over the Caribbeans of YouTube.
My hair grew so much.
Yeah, look at her hair. Okay, so here we go. Host the show one more time. Welcome back.
Welcome back to the show. Don't say it.
Okay, all right. Let's go because we're late.
Because of me?
Yes, let's go.
Is it my fault?
Now let's go.
Should take a picture.
So how do you guys like my new hairdo? I got extensions and a one-eye bandit. Yeehaw! What? Trying to match her. We'll start wearing this on the boat.
This is not extension. These are my hair. My hair grows fast like this.
Oh. I don't know how girls could do the eyeliner thing. It was so hard, I thought they're poking my eye out. Oh yeah.
Alright, so I'm all hooked up and ready to go, but before I start playing music, I'm gonna go ahead and check out the scenery.
Alright guys, checked out this beautiful backyard. We're gonna get a tour one of these days over here. Oh, wait a minute. I knew it smelled good out here. Let's go check it out, see what it is. Cause you know me, I like music, but I like food even better. Let's go check out. This is the best part of the party right here. Oh, so aquí está el secreto. Aquí está el secreto de la fiesta. Wow, empanada. Check it out. Hey, look at that. We might be able to throw a pool party. That was pretty fun. Alright, so let's go back inside with the show. And here's the man of the house. The man of the house.
And the DJ of the lifetime.
There we go. He's undercover tonight.
Well, like you haven't seen so far, everybody's having a great time. And this is a double whammy because we're celebrating Carlos's birthday and Halloween. And the question is, are we going trick-or-treating? And the other question is, what is better, a trick or a treat? Let me know in the comments. And what I like to say is, you can never go wrong with great people to have a great time, like we did today. But if you think the party is over, nope, it's just getting warmed up, or maybe cooling down.
I hope the heater's on. Oh yeah, you got the heater on?
Yeah, I got the heater on. Jump in.
Wait for that, bro. Like super warm, bro. Delicious.
For real? Ahorita toca eso.
Only with DJ Fresco, baby, this happening.
Yeah, this is only live at DJ Fresco.
Ahorita toca el agua a veces, ¿verdad?
Pool party, pool party, pool party. Come on, jump on in.
Si fuera caliente todavía para la terapia. ¿Tú sabes?
¿Pero dice?
Pues nos metemos en ese conflicto, no tenemos más tiempo.
Miriam, help me out. Help me out.
Yeah, wait for it. I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
Hey, hey, who's that? Who's that? Nick, 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 Nick. Nick, look at Stevie. Hey!
He went out the other door.
Good job.
Not a Faye! Come on, Faye!
Alright, who's next? Come on. Somebody else.
Come on, who's
Ray,
next?
Ray, bro, you got balls, bro. Come on, let's do it.
Rolando!
Ray, let's do it, bro.
Fresco Challenge Belly Flop Contest!
Dale.
Let's do it, bro.
Woo!
No.
Next! Alright! Belly flop! Whoop, whoop, whoop. That was a belly flop. But a real belly flop. Like boom! That's Fresco Challenge Belly Flop!
No. That hurt. That hurt.
Well, I guess this party has three definitions. It was a birthday party, Halloween party, and it wind up to be a pool party at the end. Well, like you see, we all had a great time, and let's all keep having fun in the sun, and even sometimes in the night.